today we have a quite a rare occurrence at Deutsche Tech. Got a jap cut, Honda Civic Type R FK8, and it's in for a set of Eibach lowering springs and a new set of wheels which the customer has bought. And that is the rear of a Honda FK8 lowered in 10 minutes. Standard Honda spring, Eibach lowering spring, roughly the same height. Mainly the only difference is the progressive part of the spring. So whereas if you buy a set of coilovers for the front you have a helper spring, this progressive part of the spring here is pretty much a helper spring, but it's all in one. So that once this lowers, that'll go coil bound, and then it'll work off this part of the spring here. We fitted the Eibach lowering springs to this Type R, along with a really nice set of raised wheels. So just now on a test drive, making sure the suspension doesn't knock, no creaks, and everything's located as it should be. Make sure the tracking's straight, because when you lower in the car it does affect the tracking a little bit. But that seems fine at the moment. Because we fitted a new set of wheels, we're going to be listening out for any sort of rubbing under the high compression. The Type R as itself is obviously a lot of engineering has gone into the car to make it handle really well. So what Eibach have to do is they have to either match that or better it. So far, from what I can tell, it's definitely been bettered, yes. Obviously it is going to be a little bit stiffer, but even then, this is still a really comfortable car. That's another good thing about just having springs. If you have adjustable dampers, so you can choose your comfort settings and all that, you get to keep that ability without spending thousands of pounds on damping adjustable. Yeah, test drive done in the Type R. Drives beautifully. Eibach's beautiful. Everything about it's beautiful. There was no knocks, no clonks. Surprisingly, the tyres didn't scrape. They looked quite close. Yeah, I think the customer's got the setup spot on.